All right, Christian Rivera here doing a walk around video on this Tesla Model X, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We do these videos again, remember, just to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever so there's no surprises. We'll get started with the front bumper right away. Front bumper looks good. That just needs to get pushed back in a little bit. No major flaws on the front bumper. Headlight looks good. Really no major chips on the hood either. Front fender looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks good. No curb rash. And I'm going to say probably at the wear bars on the front tires. No scratches, dents, or dings down the driver's side. Rear wheel looks good as well. But the tires are practically brand new on the front or on the rear. Bumper looks real good on the back. Really clean car. Passenger side looks real good. Rear wheel looks good. Got a little curb rash on this rim. Passenger side looks real good. There are no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks in any of the glass. Molding that failed a little bit right here and here. Take a look at the seating configuration. Looks real good. Gotta love those Falcon doors, they're pretty cool. Driver door looks real good. The interior of the car looks fantastic. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. And it does have a charging cable.